Welcome to Thredbo, right in the heart of Kosciuszko National Park. Today, we're taking you on the Southern Hemisphere's very first Alpine Coaster, a ride that runs all year round. Whether it's summer, winter, or anything in between, let's check it out. There's a bakery. You can have like coffee and some bread. Can I please get 3 steak sandwich, 1 almond Korean, also 2 large flat white. Can you make it extra hot? And also 1 iced coffee. MARJ. Let's go. We're going on the luge update. That one. Look how long is the queue. The Thredbo Alpine Coaster is one of the newest attractions here. It's a 1.5-kilometer track that twists and turns through tunnels, bridges, and alpine forests, dropping about 130 meters in elevation.
Hey guys, I'm going to run the watch here for a second. We have these levers. You push down on the lever to go. You pull back up to slow down. It's really important you don't hit someone. So that's when I want you to slow down. Otherwise you can leave those levers at full speed.
Yeah. With the GoPro, if you're going on your own, you do need to have both hands on the controls. So you can't hold on to something other than the levers. So you either can't use the GoPro or you could sit in the front of someone else and they can control the speed and you can hold.
Oh, that's alright.
Turn around and sit down that way. Pop your seatbelts on, please, guys.
Yeah, thank you. Bye, Bajim.
If you can, please hold it like that the whole time. Like that, and then press somebody in front.
Thank you. Thank you. Jai. Bye. You can reach speeds of up to 40 kilometers an hour or keep it slow and scenic. The best part, you're in full control of the brakes. To ride, you'll need a My Thredbo card, which you can load with coaster rides. You can book as a single ride or bundle it with lift passes. Prices vary depending on the season, but booking online in advance usually saves you up to 35% to 40%. And good news, it's also wheelchair accessible with staff ready to assist.
Is that the whole speed?
If you're 8 years or older and at least 135 cm tall, you can ride solo. Younger kids from ages 3 to 7 can still enjoy the coaster as long as they ride with an adult. It's a family-friendly ride, but keep in mind it's not suitable if you're pregnant. Look at this! So huge! So do you control the speed or it's actually just the speed for going on? Once you hop in, the coaster pulls you up the hill, giving you a great view of the mountains, and then here comes the fun part. Ooh, they're going faster. Do not lean on. Hello! Where's Baba? Oh my god, he's still all the way down. Oh, we're going down, Jay! Ah! Ooh. Oh my god, oh my god! Ah! Jay, yavaş. Dude, my phone.
Hold on, hold on.
Oh my god! Yeah, you speeding or what?
They said go full speed.
No man, that's too much, man. Whoa. Ah. 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 Ah, Bara! What makes this coaster special is that it's open 365 days a year. In winter, you can ride it alongside skiing and snowboarding. In summer, it's surrounded by lush alpine greenery. No matter the season, it's a must-do in Thredbo, definitely. Oh my gosh! Stop!
You dangerous, man.
How was it?
Very good. No worries.
Thank you. Who's going up first?
Dangerous, mate. Too dangerous.
Wow, no way.
What about where they go to run if you put a brake?
No one's fallen off yet, so
Like you try to roll down the stairs?
yeah, you
Okay.
can.
I thought maybe he's gonna roll over.
Hiç fren yapmadan geldik yol boyu.
No way, too dangerous, man.
Fren kaldırıyoruz.
Too far.
Hiç fren yapmadık.
Oh my
Holding
god.
myself, I thought it's gonna roll. If I hit the brakes, it'll make it slow down.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, I think on the bridge you can see, like all of them coming in. That's our full guide to the Thredbo Alpine Coaster, Australia's first and only ride of its kind. If you're planning a trip to the snowy mountains, make sure this is on your list. Thanks for watching!